Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since the lows yesterday at $76,500, Bitcoin has bounced back with a relief pump of 9.1% to $83,500. On the way up, price action interacted with the key blue horizontal level at 81.8 thousand, which acted as both support and resistance in the past. Initially, it rejected there before pulling back to the horizontal levels at 79,000 and 79.5 thousand, recharging momentum before finally breaking through and pushing up to 83.5 thousand. Right now, Bitcoin is ranging between 83.5 and 81.8 thousand, building for the next leg up. The late high leverage shorts are stacking above 84,000, making it the next critical area to watch according to the liquidation heat map. Money flow on the 1-hour chart is in the green, and the recent red dot momentum waves have not been that strong. The last red dot only pushed the price down by 1.23%, which suggests buyers are actively defending these levels from a heavy sell-off despite momentum cooling off. If this continues, Bitcoin could see further upside. Short-term targets remain to the upside, with the next key breakout level at 84,000. If Bitcoin pushes above 83.1 thousand with enough momentum and a strong green money flow, shorts could start liquidating rapidly, triggering a move from 84,000 to 86.5 thousand. Beyond that, the next major target is $94,000. ETF inflows and outflows still show more selling pressure than buying pressure. Monday saw net outflows of $278 million, and Tuesday, so far, has seen another $219.7 million in outflows. The only missing data is from BlackRock, so we'll see if this trend slows down or if ETF participants start buying again. Despite all this, the market is showing resilience amid ongoing macroeconomic noise. Join the free Discord for real-time trading updates. Click on the like button if you got value from this analysis, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated every day. And see you in the next one.